class again. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Children, in previous video we have learned about pets in the family, roles in a family and taking care of each other. Now children, in this video we will learn about fun with family, celebrating festivals and religious festivals. Okay children? Now children, take out your EVS book at page number 18. Fun with family. Though the members of the extended family do not stay together, they meet during festivals, birthdays and weddings. It is fun to celebrate with. Now children, come to the next page, that is page number 19. Okay children? The family. Children enjoy spending time with their grandparents who tell them stories and teach them many new things. Siblings and cousins play together. Family members go to picnics and on vacations. They enjoy having their meals together. Now children, next is celebrating festivals. Festivals are celebrated with family and friends. Special food is cooked during festivals and the whole family eats together. People clean and decorate their houses, buy new clothes and exchange gifts with family and friends. India is known as the land of festivals. People here celebrate religious festivals, harvest festivals and important days. Now children, next is religious festivals. People from different religions come together to celebrate every festival. Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. On Diwali, houses are decorated with lights, diyas and candles. It is known as the Festival of Lights. People pray, exchange gifts and have good food. Eid is celebrated by Muslims at the end of Ramzan, the holy month of fasting. People offer prayers at the mosque. They hug and greet each other with Eid Mubarak. Children are happy to get new clothes and special gifts. A delicious sweet dish called sevai is cooked on this day. Now see children, number one is fun with family. So children, though the members of the extended family do not stay together, but we meet them during festivals, birthdays and weddings. Okay children? And children, it is fun to celebrate festivals, birthdays and weddings with family members. Children enjoy spending time with their grandparents who tell them stories and teach them many new things. Okay? Children, siblings and cousins play together. Who are siblings? Children, your own real brother, sister, they are your siblings. And who are cousins, children? Cousins are the children of your uncle and aunt. They are your cousins. Okay? Children, family members go to picnics and on vacations also. Okay? They enjoy having their meals together also. Celebrating festivals. Children, festivals are celebrated with family and friends. Special food is cooked during festivals and the whole family eats together. So children, during festivals we clean our homes, light them and decorate them. Children, we prepare sweets and share them with our neighbors. Children, we wear festive clothes, exchange gifts and have lots of fun. Okay children? So children, during festivals people clean and decorate their houses, buy new clothes and exchange gifts with family and friends also. Some common festivals that we celebrate are Diwali, Holi, Eid and Christmas. Now see children, the name of our country is India. We live in India children. Children, the name of our country is India. Okay. So children, India is a country of many people having different customs and different religions. Okay children, now see children, our country have many peoples and they all have different customs and different religions, but we all Indians live together in families, and all the families live together in a society. So children, our country India known as the land of festivals. People here celebrate religious festivals, harvest festivals and important days. And also children, offering prayers is an important part of festivals such as Diwali and Eid. Children in schools, children celebrate festivals by dressing up in traditional costumes and sharing sweets prepared at home. So children, a festival is a special day when people are happy and they celebrate. Children, as I told you, our country India is known as the land of festivals. In India, we celebrate many festivals. Different festivals are celebrated in different ways. We celebrate festivals with our friends and family. We have great fun during festivals. So children, during festivals we get gifts and delicious dishes to eat. And also children, we pray, wear new clothes and meet each other. Special food is cooked at home. People distribute sweets and gifts to one another. Okay children? Children, as I told you that in our country, people celebrate mainly three types of festivals. Number one is religious festival. Spelling of religious, R-E-L-I-G-I-O-U-S. Religious festivals, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L-S. Festivals. Religious festivals. Children, next is harvest festival. Spelling of harvest, H-A-R-V-E-S-T. Harvest festivals, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L-S. Festivals. Harvest festivals. Next is national festivals. Spelling of national, N-A-T-I-O-N-A-L. National festivals, F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L-S. Festivals. National festivals. So children, in our country, people mainly celebrate three types of festivals: religious festivals, harvest festivals and national festivals. Now children, let us learn about each festival in detail. Children, first is religious festival. So children, during some festivals we go to temple, mosque, church and gurudwara to pray. So children, these festivals are connected to religious. So they are known as religious festivals. Religious festivals are celebrated by people of different religions. And also children, people from different religions come together to celebrate every festival. Okay? Now children, some common religious festivals are Diwali, Eid, Holi, Raksha Bandhan, Dashera, etc. Now children, first religious festival is Diwali. Okay, spelling of Diwali, D-I-W-E-L-I, Diwali. So children, Diwali is celebrated by Hindus. Okay. Children, Diwali is the festival of light, symbolizing the victory of inner light over the spiritual darkness. People worship Goddess Lakshmi on this day, the goddess of wealth and prosperity in our lives. Children, on Diwali, people decorate their houses with light, diyas, candles and electronic lamps. People pray, exchange gifts and have good food. Children burn crackers and enjoy with their friends. Now children, next religious festival is Eid. Spelling of Eid, E-I-D. by the Muslim at the end of the Ramzan, the holy month of fasting. People offered prayers at the mosque. They hug and greet each other with Eid Mubarak. Children are happy to get new clothes and special gifts. A delicious sweet dish called sevai is cooked on this day. Now children, next religious festival is Dussehra. Spelling of Dussehra: D-U-S-S-E-H-R-A. Dussehra. Okay, so children, Dussehra is one of the most important religious festivals of India. Children, people celebrate Dussehra with great enthusiasm and love throughout the country. Dussehra marks Lord Rama's victory over Demon Ravan. People make effigies of Demon Ravan and his brothers. People fill it with crackers and burn with an arrow, which results into splendid fireworks. Okay, children? Now, children, take out your EVS Fair notebook. Children, first here you will mention your name, class and section, and here you will write 6th assignment in capital. Children, don't forget to write your name, class, section and assignment number as I have written in the EVS Fair notebook. Okay children? And children, here you will mention the date, write lesson 2 in capital, and here you will write h.w. Done children? Now come to the next line. In next line you will write lesson name all in the family. Write lesson name in capital. Now children, come to the next line. Children, we have already done question number 3, 4 and 5 in previous video. So we will do from question number 6. Okay. Now here you will write QUE.6. Question number 6. Name any 2 religious festival full stop. Done children? Now come to the next line. In next line you will write ANS.6. Answer number 6. The 2 religious festivals of India are dash. A. Dussehra. B. Diwali. Done children? Now come to the next line. In next line you will write QUE.7. Question number 7. Why do we celebrate festivals? Question mark. Done children? Now come to the next line. In next line you will write ANS.7. Answer number 7. We celebrate festivals to get joy and happiness full stop. Done children? Now children, come to the next question. Here you will write QUE.8. Question number 8. What do you understand by religious festivals? Question mark. Now children, turn the page. Now children, here you will write ANS.8. Answer number 8. Festivals celebrated by the people of different religions are called religious festivals. Full stop. Done children? Now children, next is question number 9. Here you will write QUE.9. Question number 9. Draw and color the 2 pictures of religious festivals. You have to draw and color the 2 pictures of religious festivals. Okay children? Now children, see, you have to do the same work as I have done in the EVS Fair notebook. Again and again I am repeating children, you have to do the same work as I have done in the EVS Fair notebook. Okay children? So children, in this video we have learned about fun with family, celebrating festivals and religious festivals. Children, in next video we will continue with the religious festivals. Okay, we'll see you in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.